We are going to make these magical color changing bottles. So you just shake it and it changes colors. How cool is that? So we made these last year and a lot of people said, how'd you do that? I thought this year we would show you. Bella sells these at a business fair. First thing she has to do is fill her bottle up with water. Check, that's done. Then she has to pick the ink color. Now these colors are going to be what the base of your water bottle is. So whatever we're going to change the actual water to when it's just sitting there free willy-nilly. Like this one is yellow and you can tell on the bottom there's purple down there. So when Bella shakes it, it turns purple. How cool is that? So let's pick, what's your base color going to be?
Oh, this one.
Purple. Okay, we're going to do purple. And this can get very messy, and that's okay. We're just using a stir stick. So she's going to turn the water purple. So now she's got her purple all mixed in there. Now she's going to add the mica powder to it. What color are you going with? Silver?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
Yeah, try to start with that. And add that to it. So you got to shake it now to make it change color. So Bella, do you want to try shaking it? You're going to have to cover it up with your hand and shake it. All right, what do you think? Add a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yep, let's add some more powder to it. All right, now try shaking it.
That looks cool.
That looks so cool. Okay, so now you just put a lid on it. We always glue our lids on them and close them up. But that looks so neat, Bella. Good job.
Kids' Choice Award. This is the one that was the $5 CDF bucks that everyone had. So the business that collected the most CDF bucks and is the winner of the Kids' Choice Award is Winter Fox Creation. I think she won this last year too,